2840 Crystal Lantern. We just took a look at 2842, both of which are open door properties. This is the same floor plan, which is 2 master suites, 1 car garage, like 1.5 in the driveway, and parking here in front of the house. Of course, it's not assigned parking, but that is a good amount for a 2-bedroom property. Beautiful landscaping in the front yard. Looks like the wood frame around the garage was recently painted. If not, it still looks good. Need to add a deadbolt here. If open door takes off this deadbolt, we'll need to replace it, but we may need to make sure these match anyway. It smells like the carpets were just cleaned. They are still looking a little rough. We'll see what Jenny says about adding blinds on the picture window up top. So we'll see what Jenny says about this light fixture. This door doesn't have a security bar on it. So this courtyard has a pergola. It feels a little more private than some of these townhomes can feel. Has a pet door. The walls do not look freshly painted. I don't think there's a lot of marks per se throughout. I mean, there's fading and things, but I would think a nice repaint would make a big difference in the feel of the home. This room is green, greenish blue. It actually looks a little better than most of the rest of the property. Oh, we have a space saver microwave here. Okay, that's a nice addition. This room is blue as well. Counters are definitely laminate. Cabinets seem okay. The carpets are looking a little rough, but they feel nice and thick. Maybe they just didn't have a good shampoo job. Not my call. That's a Jenny call. Those cabinets look freshly painted. This looks newer, the shower doors. This looks fresh. Upgraded. Well, we have a large fan and light fixture, which is nice. We don't have a fan in here. The walls are a minty green. Tile, which is good. These cabinets look alright too. Upgraded light fixture. We need a shower rod in here. Maybe some rake caulking or just a good janitorial. And the walls are yellow.